Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a Valentine's Day look using the Venus 3 palette by Lime Crime. I really thought this palette really screamed Valentine's Day. Like, look at those gorgeous colors. I really love the way that it turned out, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to be taking this old school. I'm going to do a voiceover. It was just easier for me to do a voiceover because I did film this in the morning for you guys, and I really wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. That I'm using today in this video will be listed in the description bar down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just get started. First of all, let's just take a moment. How gorgeous are these colors? Does this not scream Valentine's Day? I just love this palette. The first color I'm going to go into is called Dreamy. I'm going to be putting this all over the crease with a big fluffy brush, and I'm so impressed with their matte shadows. I'm actually very impressed with Lime Crime eyeshadows. I've never really tried any of their shadows before, and I have 3 palettes of theirs, and I love all of them so far. But this color is so pretty in the crease. Then I'm just taking the same shade and just putting that in my lower lash line and just really smudging that out. Next, I'm going in with the shade Bliss, which is a warmer, deeper shade. It's a beautiful color. Again, it was very easy to work with. It blended well. The pigmentation was spot on. I just have no complaints with any of the mattes in this palette. And I really like the combination of both these shades together with Dreamy and Bliss. It's just a perfect combination. I'm starting off in the outer V, really concentrating that there, and then I'm going to start bringing it into the crease to just deepen up the crease a little bit more, but keeping it lower than the first shade that I used. Now I'm going in with concealer. I never do this because it just takes up too much time. I'm not good at it. It was very hard to do it here because my mirror was so far away and I was trying to get it in the camera for you guys to see, but I really wanted these shimmers to really stand out, and that's why I did it. I kind of tried to cut crease, but I don't think it worked. Then I'm going into probably one of my favorite shades in the palette called Heavenly, and I'm putting this all over the lid, and I just love the duochrome that this shade has. It's like a beige with pink and gold. It's a very unique color. My favorite in the palette. Then I went ahead and did my mascara, my tried and true. I will leave them linked down below for you guys. And then I went in with a black liner. I did it on the top and lower lash line. I really just wanted this look to be a little bit more dramatic. Usually I go in with brown, but today I decided just to use black. I was also going to mention that I never wear falsies, but if you wanted to go ahead and put false lashes on, you definitely can with this look. I guess I could have done it, but it's such a hassle for me, and that's why I didn't do it. I just kept it simple, and yeah, I went in with that dark shade in the palette, and I was using another brush, but I decided to switch it up because I really wanted to smoke out the lower lash line, so that's what I was doing there. Now I'm going in with this Gosh Cosmetics pencil just to brighten up the inner corner a little bit. I wish the camera would pick up more of these shades and how gorgeous that shimmer is on the lid. Like in person, it is just so pretty. And then I went ahead and took that DIOR Peach shade highlighter. I will have everything listed down below for you guys, but I just used that for my inner corner just to brighten up more. To finish off this look, I'm using some black mascara. Now I'm going in with Becca bronzer. I believe it's called Bronze Bondi. I got this at Sephora. It was a 100-point perk. It's such a little pan, but it picked up a lot of product. This is actually quite pigmented, but pigmented in a good way. This bronzer really surprised me. It really blended well, and I just love the color. It's perfect for this time where I'm not too dark, but I'm not too white. I don't know, it's just a beautiful color. I'm thinking of getting this in a full size. Now I'm using MAC Cosmetics. This is the collaboration with CAREY. It's been a while since I've even touched a MAC blush, and I haven't used this in a long time. So I thought this would be perfect for this look that we are going for. It's kind of peachy, but it's kind of pink. I don't know, it's a unique color actually. I don't really have a color like this in my collection. Now we're using the Wet n Wild Mega Bronzer. This is the loose version, and this highlighter, you guys, wow. It is gorgeous. It's stunning. It lasted all day, and usually I have issues with highlighters lasting, but this one, oh, it was just stunning. And this color is perfect with this look. It's not too pink, it's not too white. It's just right in the middle. I just love it. Now I'm taking both these products from Wet n Wild. First, I'm going in with their liner. I can't even believe how good this liner is for the price. I'm almost out of it, and I love this color because it just goes with a lot of nudes. This is their High Shine Liquid CATSUIT. Oh, you guys need this color. You need this formula. It's even better than the new Bobbi Brown ones, and you can't go wrong for the price. Now we're just going to set all of that with a Too Faced Hangover. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I really loved this look. Let me know what you think about it down below. Let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. And thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.